Imagine a world where some creatures just refuse to die. No matter what nature throws at them, freezing temperatures, getting chopped in half, even time itself, these animals have insane survival tactics that make them almost unkillable.
Sounds like my ex. But seriously, some of these creatures are so resilient, it's like they have cheat codes for life. Meanwhile, I can't even survive one Monday morning without coffee.
NASA literally sent these things into space and they came back totally fine. No oxygen, no problem. They just go into cryptobiosis and wait for better conditions, like a college student skipping class until finals. Number 9, cockroaches, the nuclear survivors.
Everyone hates them, but cockroaches are nearly impossible to kill. They can survive decapitation, radiation, and even a nuclear explosion. They can live without a head for weeks because their nervous system is spread throughout their body. They eventually die of starvation. Not exactly the dramatic exit you'd expect.
Super number 8, the axolotl, the animal that regenerates like a video game character. The axolotl is the real MVP of regeneration. It can regrow limbs, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain.
That's insane. If I stub my toe, I'm out for a week. Meanwhile, this thing is out here growing back body parts like it's no big deal.
Number 7, the immortal jellyfish, nature's time traveler.
This jellyfish doesn't just survive, it literally cheats death. When it gets old or injured, it transforms back into its baby stage and starts life over.
Basically, this thing figured out the secret to immortality and we're still out here aging like bananas.
If I could hit a reset button every time I made a bad decision, I'd be unstoppable.
This little frog can survive being completely frozen solid in the winter. Its heart stops beating and it basically turns into a frog sickle.
And then when spring comes, it just thaws out and hops away like nothing happened. Meanwhile, I cry when I touch cold steering wheels in the winter.
Scientists are studying them because, let's be real, cryogenic freezing is the dream. If this frog can do it, maybe one day we can too. Super number 5, the lungfish, the fish that refuses to die. So basically, it's the aquatic version of a person who naps through all their responsibilities.
When the water returns, it just wakes up and keeps going like it didn't just take a multi-year nap.
Super number 4, the scorpion, the radiation-proof warrior. Scorpions can survive crazy levels of radiation, and some species can go an entire year without food. They even glow under UV light. Scientists still don't know why, but it basically means they're nightclub ready at all times. Number 3, the octopus, the ultimate escape artist.
Octopuses are basically liquid. They can squeeze through tiny spaces, change color, and even detach their arms if they need to escape.
If I could escape social situations like that, my life would be so much easier. Super number 2, the alligator, the ultimate survivor. Alligators have been around since the dinosaur days and have barely changed. They can survive freezing cold by letting their snouts stick out of the ice while the rest of their body shuts down.
That's actually kind of creepy. They just sit there, waiting for the ice to melt, ready to keep terrorizing the world.
They've survived mass extinctions, so yeah, they're probably outliving us all.
Okay, this one is wild. If a predator attacks, the sea cucumber literally ejects its guts and runs away.
So it just vomits its own insides as a defense mechanism?
The best part? It just regrows everything later like nothing happened. Meanwhile, I can't even handle a paper cut.
These animals prove that nature always has a survival trick up its sleeve. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more crazy animal facts.
Because let's be real, if anyone's surviving the apocalypse, it's not us. It's these guys.
Visual